Díaghuit is mission Nicole agus fáilte go dúshlán Formula Female. Formula Female was set up to try introduce more women into motorsport and sport in general. I mean, you don't have to be just a driver, you can be an engineer. There's loads of different kind of routes. So today basically we invited some sports stars to Mondello Park to try take me on in a one-lap challenge. There still aren't that many women involved in the sport. I'm lucky enough to have grown up with the sport and that's how I'm involved, but thankfully to organisations like Formula Female there are more girls coming through, and I just hope that even more will follow through and see that this isn't just a boys' sport, girls can come and compete as well. So I just want to say to the other competitors, good night and bóthar low, not.
Tá beáin ar bhí seach ag dul amach agus an dúshlán anna hapig ach ag an ón céine tám ar bhís. Rinne mé cleachtain san Mini Cooper agus is go máh tám I dahí leis an cuasa is ach níor chuig mé róhapig, so beag mé ag fág an gachord an muithníos déine. Well, tám bura faoi dín gosúla Jim Begley agus Ashton Thompson beidir chuna mé Anya Gorman, bhí si tapig glórach ag an deire, rinne si botún beag, so tá an míoch go húntaach ann agus tá gach ile duine ag ggéir bheith anna hapig, so tá dúshlán os magóir. Tá sé gúnta go bhfuil an dúshlán sin going agus go bhfuil míad chur solas ar 20x20 ag iarraidh níos mó chalíní agus mná bheith buinteach le spóirt agus motorsport in óh.
We've just had a lap in the Mini. We've both had the same instructor, Kevin, who's done great, but we're hoping he'll give us a bit more feedback now when we get into the real deal and the machine that is the BMW M2. So far so good, but yeah, we're waiting now for the big machine.
I heard she was coming, so I was like, I have to get down there.
That's gas, because I only wanted to come because you're coming. 2 jobs, we had to take on the world.
No, it's a great campaign. The 20x20 campaign it's a great initiative, so I wanted to be down here and be a part of it and try and build it up a bit more.
It is about breaking barriers for this particular sport because it's so male dominated, and obviously then just getting a chance to actually meet fellow female athletes. We don't get an opportunity, like I certainly don't get enough time to go out and support the likes of Kelly women's sport. There's no limits on it and what we can do if we get the right people in, and as I said, make it very open and transparent to everyone, and just push it forward, like put the shoulders to the wheel and drive it. Like, it's going to be a great future ahead if we can keep the ball rolling.
More nerves now for an international after this.
It's gone really well. You know, it's great to bring so many girls, women here from different sports, different disciplines together, and you know, they're all so competitive, and that's really shone through here today, and they've just wanted to get out there and really lay down a lap, and they have, and they've shown that they are brave, they're fierce, and they are extremely competitive. Show your stripes, Dane the Quid.
Oh, sin go harbar. You know, skeadú mí ar an fós trí seachtamach ón dúshlán, bhí sé cótapig agus rinne mé míhil agus tasíla go méid an gomach, ní dólam go méid mé ar bar an chart, but tá sásta glór. 20x20, show your stripes, Dane the Quid.